Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Laserjet P1102 printers drivers in Windows. So let's go and first download the link given in the description. So this website is open. Then just click on the download as a zip and your downloading is started on your PC. After downloading is completed, just click on show all. Click on show in folder. Just drag this file to desktop. Just extract this file. Double click on it. Here we find two files. One is 32-bit, second is 64-bit. If your machine is 64-bit, then go to the 64-bit. If 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. Just left click on it and click on extract this file. And OK. Then this file is extracted at here. Okay. Now just go to the start and type here control panel. Click on control panel. After that, just click on the devices and printers. Here just click on add a printer at the top. Here click on the printer I want isn't listed. Click on add a local printer or network printer. Next, click on port and click on USB port, any USB port, USB 001, USB 002 or any USB port. Next, click on have a disk. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Go to our printer folder. Go to our printer folder again. Here we find our printer and click on open. Click on OK. Here we find our HP Laserjet Professional P1102. Click on next. Click on next. Click on yes. Finish. Just check our printer is installed or not. Just type control panel once again. Go to the devices and printer. Here we find HP Laserjet Professional P1102. So guys, our printer is installed on our Windows machine. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.